What's up mga papi? Happy Saturday! Bakit nga ba 170 to 180 SPM or steps per minute? So SPM is actually steps per minute. This is the number of steps that you take per minute. 180 SPM is often cited as the gold standard. Kasi yung mga elite runners noong 1984 Olympics average around this cadence. It helps reduce ground contact time, promotes lighter steps, and can lower the risk of certain injuries. Pero mga paps, disclaimer lang, it's not one size fits all. Your ideal cadence depends on your height, your leg length, running pace, and of course, efficiency. For most recreational runners, anywhere between 160 to 180 SPM is healthy. Of course, if you're running slower, your cadence will naturally drop. Yun lang. Happy Saturday. Run, 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 or Cobia. Do shoes. Yoo-hoo!